What if I told you that a vast empire once existed in the heart of Europe, where power shifted like the winds? Welcome to the Holy Roman Empire, a complex web of territories and kingdoms that shaped the continent's history for over a millennium. The Holy Roman Empire was established in the year 800 when Charlemagne was crowned emperor, uniting much of Western Europe. This was a time of feudalism, where local lords held power, but the empire provided a semblance of unity amidst the chaos. Key events like the Investiture Controversy in the 11th century highlighted the struggle between church and state. Figures like Pope Gregory VII and Emperor Henry IV clashed dramatically, shaping the political landscape of Europe. The 30 Years' War, from 1618 to 1648, further devastated the empire, leading to significant territorial losses and the Peace of Westphalia, which laid the groundwork for modern nation-states. This war changed the face of Europe and diminished the empire's influence. The legacy of the Holy Roman Empire is still felt today, influencing the political boundaries and cultural identities of modern Europe. Its dissolution in 1806 marked the end of an era, but the ideas of unity and governance it fostered continue to resonate.